Welcome to Serviceform tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pixel and install it on your web page, and then how to install a tool on your web page with the Serviceform account. Once you have logged into the Serviceform account, you have to go into Tools. When you go into Tools, you can see a button named Website Setup. When you click on the button, you can see a page where you can set up your website. In this page, you have to go in here and add your website URL. And once you have added your URL, you can see the options that you have to install your pixel. You can use HTML, a WordPress plugin, or a Google Tag Manager plugin to install the Serviceform pixel into your web page. And when you click on any of these, you will get instructions such as this. If you are using the HTML method, you have to copy and paste this pixel code into the head tag of your website. And during this process, if you need help, you can click on Need Help, which will open up a tab to ask help from a colleague, or you can book a free call with us where we will show you how to install the pixel code onto your website. And once you have installed the pixel code into your website, you can click on the test installation button to test if it's installed properly. Since I've already installed, I'm going to skip this for now. And on the next step, you can see this screen where you can add tools into your website. It's very simple, and you just have to go and click on Add New Tool, and you should choose your tool type and you should choose your tool. And once you have selected your tool, you can click on Add and you can click on Active. Once this is done, the tool will be active in your web page. If you want to use the advanced setup roles, you can click on Add New Role under Advanced Setup Roles. When you click on Add New Role, you get to select the method of installation, and you can add the URL, you can choose the tool type, and you can choose the tool. Once you have selected the tool, just click on this button to activate the tool. And if you want to delete a tool, you can click on Delete to delete the tool as well. And that's how you generate the Serviceform pixel code for your website and install your tools. Simple and easy. If you want to learn more about Serviceform tools and how to work with them, check out our YouTube channel for more videos.